This is the AssemblyBandit, and here's a tutorial on how to use ImageViewer for the TI-84+CSE Silver Edition. So go to AssemblyBandit.com and click on IViewer, and then click here on Download to go to TICalc.org to download the app for the calculator, and then click here to download the updated image converter that works on both 64 and 32-bit operating systems, Windows operating systems. So I have those downloaded right here, and in the iViewer file, all you care about really is just this IViewer.ack file, and that is the actual calc app itself. And then right here is the old image converters, but I'm not going to use those. This one's better. Here's the updated image converter. I'm going to use the 64-bit version here. Okay, so there's that. And then you're going to want to get some images. I've already downloaded a couple. And then I'm going to download this one right here. So right here's the images. Now one thing you're going to want to do is open them up in a paint program to kind of modify them a little bit, because you want to change the aspect ratio. Like this one. .300 by 369. What I'm going to do right here is resize this so that the height is 240. And then I'm going to go to, I did that by going to Image Resize, and then I'm going to go to Image Canvas Size to make the width 320, which is the native resolution of the calculator. And I'm going to be sure that I select the middle. If I were to put this straight on the calculator, it would smush it down and it wouldn't look correct. Alright, so I'm going to save that image just like that. And then this one right here, I'm not going to do anything to this one because that aspect ratio looks pretty good. And then this one right here is too wide. So I could shrink down the width to be 320, but instead I'm just going to crop it. I'm going to go to Image, Canvas, Image Resize, and I'm going to set the height to 240. And then Image Canvas Size, and so I'm going to crop the center. And then I'm going to save that. I'm going to close this. And then in the image converter, I'm going to click Load. I'm going to go to the folder. And I'll start off with Grand Theft Auto. And then I'm just going to click, ignoring any of these other settings. They could be whatever they want. I'm just going to click Auto here. And that's just going to make an app fair to go right on your calculator. Alright, I'll save it there. And then I'm going to do the other images as well. So here's nature. Open that. It's going to reduce it to 320 by 240. And you see the aspect doesn't look too bad on that. So I'm just going to click Auto again. And right now it's trying to reduce the number of colors so that it'll fit in the app fair. So there's the nature.8xv file. Save that. And then I'm going to load the final one, which is the world. Click Auto. And then there's that one. Alright, so for right now, I have these three app pairs. And I'm going to open up WabbitMU, which is a TI-84+CSE Silver Edition emulator. And then I'm going to put iViewer. And then I'm going to put on these three app pairs. And remember to put the images into the archive memory. Now I'm going to click on Apps, select iViewer, and then right here's the three images. I'm going to display the Grand Theft Auto. So that's what it looks like on the calculator. Press F1 for low color mode, and then press F2 for inverted colors, and then press up and down to scroll through the pictures. So there's the world. And then there's the nature image. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the actual calculator, not just an emulator. So I'm going to open up TI-ConnectCE. Which is right here. I'm going to plug in the calculator. And then actually I'm going to get another camera on this real quick so that I can show everything. So here's what it's going to look like on the actual calculator. On here, I've already have the calculator plugged into the USB port. I'm going to click on Calculator Explorer, select the TI-84+CSE Silver Edition calculator. I'm just going to highlight all these app pairs, drag them right onto here. It's going to ask me the location. I'm going to select archive for all of them, and then I'm going to click send. And one more thing, I actually have to send the IViewer.atk app as well. So I'm going to drag that on there, and since it's an app, it automatically throws it in the archive. I'm going to click send. Alright, so there's that. Now I'm going to go to the calculator, click on apps, see if I can adjust this here. I'm going to select iViewer, and then as you can see, you have all three image files, and then I'm going to click F1. Let's check out Grand Theft Auto, see what it looks like on the actual calculator. Not too bad. There's low color, there's inverted colors. Then I'm going to press down to go to the next image. And there's that nature image. There's low color, and then inverted colors. And then there's the world. And they all look pretty good on the calculator. Probably better than what this camera's picking up. Low color, inverted colors. And then just either press F5 or on to exit the app.